Good evening, everyone. Today is August 27, 2025. Today is Wednesday. The time here, 9:37 in the evening, Australian Standard Time. This is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am the virtual office of the seller who produced gold in Conakry, the seller who produced gold in Mali, the seller produced gold in Sierra Leone. Now, I only handle 3 countries, Conakry, Guinea, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Now, before I'm going to proceed, I would like to inform you that the price of gold today is 3,374.96. 3,374.96. Okay? 374.96. This is the price of gold per ounce. This is per ounce. 3,374. Okay? The price of gold, it changes every half an hour. I've been watching the movement of gold so that I could update everyone. Now, on this ounce, the price of gold is 108.482.97. This is the price per kilo. This is refined. Okay, 99.99. You are not buying refined. Most of the big company, they buy unrefined, then they will refine it into 99.99. Now, you're gonna see, Wilhelmina, how much is the price of 23 carats? Okay? 96, 97 purity, Wilhelmina. Alright, I'm going to give you our selling price on 23, which is 99,490. 99,490. So don't bank on it because the price of gold changes every half an hour. This is 99,490 per kilo on 22 carats, on 23 carats, and the purity is from 96, 97, 98. It depends on every bar. So you need to taste the gold into that country where the gold produced. Now, going back to this buyer that I have a conference just few minutes ago. He's an Indonesian and he has representative travel to Conakry. Disaster. And they wanted to get the gold in Conakry. I will explain to you guys about Conakry. Why you could hardly get the gold in Conakry. Now, the government in Conakry has changed. You travel to Conakry because you were being offered by another seller cheap price or undervalue. Well, your eyes is bigger than a dollar, so you were being excited. So this guy, an Indonesian buyer, he's in Indonesia right now, but he has a representative who traveled in Conakry, Guinea, dealing with the other seller. Disaster. So this Indonesian buyer, he's been talking to a broker from Nigeria. His name is Victor. So we have a live video conference, voice conference. So I explained to him that if your representative is already in Conakry and you have an issue, I wouldn't be able to assist you. Because our policy, you need to travel as being a buyer. You need to establish your business relationship with the owner of the gold. So disaster. So I told this Indonesian buyer, I need to talk to your representative already on the ground. I want to find out why he's stuck in Conakry. Now, I would like to explain to everyone. Wilhelmina is not an agency. She's not. I am the extension of the seller. I am the one who promote Africa. That is why Victor found me on my YouTube channel and Victor went to my platform on Facebook. I put everything picture to picture, the update price so that the buyer understand. Now, in Conakry, you need to place an order as being a buyer. Before we're gonna do the transaction, I need to see a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $1 million in your bank account. Now, this buyer from Indonesia is going to bring the gold into Dubai. Disaster. So, I told this buyer that I want to talk to your representative. I want to find out why he cannot get the gold. He was talking to other seller and he was being offered under value. What happened? Even though his representative were talking to the seller, other seller, you can be rejected. African sellers is very hard to deal with. I'm telling you. I've been to Africa many times. If the seller cannot see that you have proof of fund, it doesn't matter if you have been invited. It doesn't matter if you sign a contract. He can reject you. He can cancel the contract. Now, you need Wilhelmina. Yeah? Wilhelmina will travel with you in order to vouch you. Now, I cannot travel because your representative already on the ground. I doubt if he could get the gold in Conakry. However, I have given this buyer from Indonesia an opportunity. I might find the solution, but don't bank on it. Because I have the feeling that the representative has been rejected. He traveled, he was talking to other seller, African, he wouldn't give his gold CIF. African seller, he wouldn't. He wouldn't give you the gold credit. You're a stranger. You need to build your credibility. Your credibility lies to Wilhelmina. Your credibility will signify that Wilhelmina can vouch you. If Wilhelmina cannot vouch you, 100% you have an issue. Because African seller would not give his gold. An African seller is a fickle-minded as well. He can change it. He gonna say, no problem, no problem. At the end of the day, there would be a problem. Yes, bear in mind, what's the language of African seller? If the African seller, okay, no problem, I don't want to hear that. That's the reason why I always tell my seller, I don't want to hear that, no problem. There would be a problem at the end of the day. Let's talk business on the table. Mr. Buyer, you need Wilhelmina to be with you on the ground. You need Wilhelmina to be with you in the office. There was a buyer that I was talking to him. I don't want to mention his name. He was talking to me since November 12, 2024. Right? He was signing the contract. He was receiving commercial invoice in advance. That the 360 is that deposit of 40% out of $600,000 during the time. Now, when the price goes up, the seller changes his price. So now I'm giving you a warning. When you do business with us, the price that I would be giving you is a fixed price, good only for 14 days. After 14 days and you cannot comply, then that contract will be void. That is the reason why listen to this video. I have 360 video from 2011 and 2025. Some of my old video I have to remove it because the price has changed. Now this is 2025. As I mentioned to you, our selling price is $99,490. I don't know how much you can afford. Now, there's always room for negotiation. Now, Wilhelmina is not an agency, you must remember. I am not an agency. I am here to sell directly to you, Mr. Buyer. And I am here to explain to you the procedure in every country. Whether you buy gold in Tanzania, Nairobi, Ghana, the procedure are all the same. You need to have a contract. You cannot just ask me to bring the gold to the hotel or bring the gold to the office of Europe because you have a company. Big no-no. Why are we going to bring the gold to your office? My seller has an office. You need to come to the office. But if you have an office in Conakry, something wrong with you. Why you cannot find the gold? That is my question. Once you have an office, the seller would not touch it. Why? It is a competition. Right? And when you have an office, you're looking for cheap price. And gold is not cheap. Believe me. Now, the price of gold, I'm going back to the world market, because it changes every so often. Right. The price of gold is 108,549.84. 108,549.84. As today, the gold is down a little bit, but tomorrow, Thursday, the price changes. Now, while you're talking to Wilhelmina, you listen very carefully on this video. When I open my mouth, the wording is on the screen. Listen thoroughly because this is for you, Mr. Buyer. When you listen to this video and read on the screen, you are a winner because the seller would not explain to you like this the way I explain like an elementary. Now, going back to this buyer from Indonesia, he said to me that the gold has to be brought to the embassy, Malaysian embassy in Conakry. No, we don't know you. No, there's a lot of criminal going on here. We need to know. That's why I am interviewing the representative. I interviewed the buyer that he is in Indonesia right now. So he has a representative. I told this buyer, I want to talk to your representative. I want to know the number because I want to find out why he cannot get the gold. This buyer wanted 100 kilos. 100 kilos is more than 20 million. More than. So I don't believe that he can afford to pay. I don't believe it. 100 kilos unless the buyer proved that he can show us the proof of fund that he has $1 million standby in his bank account. Then I would believe that particular buyer is a real buyer. There's a lot of fake buyers, a small trader. Just imagine this buyer from United Kingdom. Disaster. I try to help him and he go behind my back. If I mention his name, believe me, he's gonna be embarrassed. Disaster. He go behind my back and he deceived me. And then he bullied me. Yeah, you cannot bully me because very clear. And when I travel, Mr. Buyer, listen very carefully. I do charge my travel cost to assist you. I'm not going to travel for free. Gold is not for free. Gold is a real business. You're buying money to make money. Why should I give you free to travel with you? At the end of the day, you become multimillionaire. I've already given you free information, but most of your agents roaming around, what happened? They landed into Wilhelmina. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of joker broker. I call them joker broker. Why? They knows that the procedure is already on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. They don't read. They're excited. You don't need to be excited. Because when the seller hired Wilhelmina, I have to compile. When you sell the product, you need to know the product knowledge. And you, Mr. Buyer, you're buying this precious item. You're buying world asset. Why are you buying world asset? My question is, what is the purpose why you buy this world asset? There is a purpose, right? You are going to resell it to the refinery to refine it into 99.99. I know that. And then you're gonna resell it to make into jewelry. You make profit. I know that. Who is the buyer? The jewelry manufacturer. Dubai is hungry of supply, but gold will not come to Dubai unless you pay. Because in Africa, the government has changed. No gold leave the country of origin without full payment. How? You need to pay in order to reflect the cash inflow that you have paid the gold. Now, let's talk about Conakry. When you inspect the gold in the office, the seller has an office. You inspect it, you bring your gold taster, you taste it. Okay? And then when you taste it and you're happy, you make your deposit. 40% or 50%. The gold would not bring it to the central bank unless you made a commitment. Why? Because when you back out, the gold cannot be taken out of the central bank. Now, before the gold will be brought to the central bank, the owner of the gold will send a letter to the central bank that he is going to export to you, Mr. Buyer. So the central bank will certify to the owner of the gold that his gold is free of illegal activities. Now, the central bank will ask the seller's mining license. The central bank would ask the permit that he can export to you, and the central bank would ask the export number. Is he a member of the mining association? This is what my seller was telling me. My seller is a member of mining association. Now, there's a lot of small trader, small miner, not a member. Only 9 miners are member of the mining association in Conakry. That is why you could hardly get the real supplier. So, Mr. Buyer, I am explaining to you again and again. You cannot just request Wilhelmina to bring gold to central bank without knowing who you are. I wouldn't vouch you. I wouldn't. I need to know whether you meet the criteria or not. That is why I want to talk to any buyer. Now, I just finished talking to this Indonesian. Right. I doubt he would get the gold from Conakry. I doubt. Because the sellers are very strict, even in Sierra Leone. You need to have as well proof of fund. Because I'm going to travel with you. I'm going to assist you. Okay? When I assist you on the ground, do not go behind my back. Do not. It happened to one of the buyer, he go behind my back. Disaster. Do not, because you're paying my extra service here. And my extra service is non-refundable. You're going to ask, well, Amina, how much you're going to charge? I do charge $20,000 to cover my travel cost, my time, my miscellaneous expenses. My service is not for free. You're buying expensive item, which is gold. My services is also expensive. In spite of that, even though the price of gold is $99,490, I can renegotiate the price for you. I might consider to give you $93. But don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Don't. That's the reason why I would like to interview you, Mr. Buyer. What is your capacity to pay? Yes. Are you really a serious buyer, or you just pretending to be a buyer? Or you just bullying and then you just leveraging? It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work leveraging. There's a buyer from Middle East. He sent me a message on WhatsApp. Okay? He said that okay, just a moment. This buyer from Middle East. Okay. He's asking me to bring gold to Dubai. My gosh, why should we bring gold to Dubai without knowing who you are? We don't do that. This guy from from Middle East, his name is Salih Khalih from Saudi Arabia. Reject. Now who is this? Okay, just a moment. I'm gonna call. All right.
Hello,
Yeah, who is this? Whom I'm talking to?
I'm Danny. Introduced by I call it Pak Iwan Indonesian.
Oh,
Indonesia.
right. I Danny, how long you been in Conakry?
I living 29
So,
morning.
okay, did you get the gold in Conakry?
I saw already, but the price higher. We cannot no margin to do. Yes.
Okay. So, what price are you asking for?
I don't know. Yeah, what offer you all can offer.
Our price is
This
premium.
important.
Our price is premium. Our selling price is
Okay.
99.
99.
Yes,
What is your meaning? 99 point.
$99,000 per kilo.
Oh, 99,000. Oh.
Ooh.
Also,
So, what is your asking price, Denny? Denny?
my prices. Okay. Okay. I see one question. What is the purity?
The purity is
How many
96, 97. You're buying unrefined.
97.
You're not buying 99.99. You're not buying refined.
Yeah, I know.
You're buying
Understood.
unrefined.
Understood.
Mm.
Yes, understood. 96, around
Yes.
96,
Yes.
Okay.
The
Then
purity is 23.
it's okay. It's okay. No problem. But the price,
So what is your price? Tell me.
Okay, the include everything, the tax. I also want to send by cover by insurance. Okay.
No, the price is tax included.
Include the tax already.
Yes.
Okay. The price I think about 83,000.
No. No, we don't.
Because I want.
That is only 14 carats. You are buying 23 carats, 22 to 23.
Of course, yes. I need 23, yes.
Yes. So we don't sell 80.
Okay, last offer.
My last offer, I can.
How much?
You are already in Conakry, right? I was talking to your
Yes.
buyer in Indonesia. That is why I said to your buyer, I need to talk to his representative, which is you. Actually, Dennis, we don't entertain buyer already on the ground without invitation. Who invited you in Conakry?
Who invite?
Yeah.
Invite me.
Yes.
Also the Indonesia boss there, the Mr. Pak Iwan.
Okay. So what happened when you arrived in Conakry, Guinea? That Indonesian who invited you, did he help you to get the gold?
No, the Indonesia the boss, we are the friend. Then he introduced me. He said, okay, one of the seller in the Conakry. Then the guy also come to Malaysia. Then we talking this and that. They offer the price. After I come here, they change their mind.
Correct. Correct. Because they based on the world market. Now the world market then is $108,000, 600.
I know now. Yes, 108 something. Yes.
Yes, yes.
I know.
It would reach 109. I'm watching the price of gold. Yes.
Yeah, I know, but before he in Malaysia, he meet me and my chairman. He offered me around maybe around 80,000, but the priority also 96, something like that. Then we 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 calculate, okay lah, this price can do lah. Then we come here. He said no, this offer. How can they're talking different thing?
Okay, I can give you, but I do charge my travel cost to accompany you because you wouldn't be able to get the gold because you're already on the ground. Our policy is we need to invite the buyer, but your buyer is in Indonesia. I ask your buyer, I need a copy of his business registration, importation license, and the proof of fund. He said that he wanted 100 kilos. 100 kilos is more than 20 million.
Correct, but for the first try, maybe we can buy 10 kilos first.
Okay, 10 kilos, right. Now you're talking.
Yeah.
Your buyer is dreaming.
Yeah.
That's why I told him I impossible.
No.
Okay.
No. Anyway, we must try for the first trial.
Okay, 10 kilos can be done. 10 kilos can be done. Right. But I need to be with you. I need to apply. I'm here in Australia. I'm the virtual office. I'm the extension of the seller.
Okay.
I don't know.
How much the last offer?
If I'll travel with you, if I'll travel and meet you, I can offer you 93, 94.
93, 94, huh?
You're asking 80, that is only 18 carats, and you're buying 20, 22, 23.
This include everything? Tax, the logistics?
Include, no. You have to, while you are in Conakry, go on Sky Cargo in the airport. Okay? I will give you the number of my personal driver, because when I was in Conakry, I have my driver. And ask Carlos to take you to the airport and ask the Sky Cargo. Because the Sky Cargo will charge you the shipping cost and insurance. Yes.
They want no under the bank, the central bank to do?
No, central bank will only give the certificate of clearance. No. Central bank has nothing to do. He's only going to provide the paperwork to the seller that he's going to export to you.
Then the gold after okay, we complete everything. The gold will be sent to the central bank
to the central bank. The gold stays at the central bank. Yeah.
After that, they will stay in the central bank.
Yes.
They wait for the flight day.
Yes, correct.
They will send to.
Correct.
If anything happen inside, they changing or what?
No, it wouldn't. The gold will be handed over to the Sky Cargo because the Sky Cargo will ship the gold.
I know. I heard my one Indian buyer. He told me last few years 2018 the time his friend buying after they take the gold in the destination final, they open different thing.
I don't know because my seller, I never encounter like that. Because you need to seal it. You need to buy
I know.
a sealed.
Yes, correct.
It doesn't. That is why you need to be supervised because gold is very tricky business. Very.
Yeah, I know. They seal. They also make their order. Not our seal.
No, you have to buy your own sealed and then sign outside so that if in case there is a tamper, you will know. That is why you need to buy your own sealed to wrap the metal box. If you don't wrap metal box, yes, the metal box can be tampered. Yes.
Yeah. So I worry this problem happen. I want covered by insurance. Is okay?
You have to talk to Sky Cargo because Sky Cargo will do the insurance for you.
Okay.
Because our way of doing business is FOB.
I understood. I just worry this thing will be happen.
If you're not very careful, it would happen. Yes.
Yes. So I play safe. I buy insurance cover. If anything happen, I have the insurance to cover.
No,
I
you
don't-
go
don't-
to,
not-
you know,
not
you
to-
go first to the Sky Cargo to take a taxi in the airport. The Sky Cargo will explain to you. I will give you the number of the Sky Cargo. Mention my name, that this number was given by a lady from Australia.
Okay.
You need to.
Okay.
Do not take him for granted.
You send to me.
Yes, I will send it to
Okay,
you
yeah.
after our conversation.
Yeah.
Do not take him for granted. Now, you need Wilhelmina because you are already on the ground. My head office would not entertain you. We need to have a contract of 10 kilos.
All right. Can. Okay.
And I do charge my traveling cost. I have to be with you. Yes.
Okay. Okay. You send the telephone to me. Maybe tomorrow I will go. Say I have one day I will go to airport,
Sky Cargo.
Sky Cargo. I will go and
Emirates Sky Cargo. Yeah.
Okay. I will go and asking how to proceed this and that.
Yes.
Okay?
When you go to the Sky Cargo, you mention my name, that I was talking to a lady from Australia. His name is Mrs. Ford.
Okay. Also, okay, one question.
Go ahead.
Okay, how about the payment? We can use a credit card?
No. You need to have a bank to bank because your payment must reflect into the cash inflow.
Okay. Can bank to bank?
Bank to bank.
Can? Okay. In Australia bank or what?
Your bank from Indonesia. You have to transfer the money from Indonesia to Africa. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm in Malaysia.
Yeah, the money from Malaysia has to be transferred into Conakry's bank account of the seller.
No problem.
No problem at all.
Can?
Yeah, can. Yes.
Normally, how many days the transaction will be
7 days. 7 to 8 days.
7 days.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Because to clear your payment, it would take 3 working days. Okay? Uy, it's true. It's not easy. That is the reason why you are stuck in Conakry right now. Because you were not being guided. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to asking anything how to this and that. Okay, now I'm very clear. 7 days.
7 days. And you need Wilhelmina to be with you so that I could renegotiate the price. Instead of 99, I might able to give you 90 or 93. But don't bank on it. Because I'm charging you my travel cost. From Australia to Conakry, I have to meet you. But before I'm going to travel, I need to have a contract with your boss.
Yes. Okay.
Because you wouldn't be able to get the gold from my head office. My head office will turn you down.
Okay. Miss, after finish, you make some message to me. Okay.
I will.
How much the price and this and that, and also the Sky Cargo. The
yes.
Person.
Go back to your buyer. I need the buyer's copy, his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. That if I'll give you 93, okay? If I'll give you 93,000 times 10 kilos, that is 900. 300,000. This is the one.
Later you message to me. After I say my company CIS to you, okay?
So you are buying on behalf of the buyer? Are you?
I'm the buyer.
Oh, you are the buyer.
Yes. Because the Indonesia the boss I call him Pak Iwan. He's a very close friend. We meet.
You need Wilhelmina because you wouldn't able to get the gold. I'm telling you 100%.
Okay.
I need to be with you so that I can take you to the office and you can see the 10 kilos, and then you need to pay the down payment of 40%.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. After look must pay.
Yes, because the gold cannot be taken to central bank. What happened if you back
Because
out?
I want to, because I come first for verify first.
You can
Your
come, yes.
company have the go.
Yeah, you can come and verify, yes. Yes.
Yeah, because I come here for verify first. Because normally I go to Africa, they say this and that. I come, no.
But this is different. We are different. We are premium. My head office is own the building. He's a debt free. He is different from our other African seller. He's different.
Okay.
You wouldn't get the gold
no
from
problem.
us. You wouldn't.
Okay,
I'm
no
telling
problem.
you.
No problem, miss. Never mind. If no don't have the time, maybe I can next trip I come again. No problem.
Okay, you get out from get out from Conakry, so and then we will do the contract. You go back with me, then you will get the gold. But if you are on Conakry right now, my seller said no.
Okay, understood.
Understood that? Now you are guided by Wilhelmina. Now before you go return to Malaysia, I want you to go to Sky Cargo, and I will give you the number of my personal driver, because my company will provide me the driver, but this personal is my driver after work, and his mother is an accountant in Nome Hotel. His name is Carlos. He's a young man. He's a very good young man. I've been using him for 2 years. He's a very honest guy.
Okay.
You ask Carlos. I'll give you the number of Carlos. Okay?
Okay.
But you have to pay Carlos because he's a student. That is his job.
Understood. Understood. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right. So get out in Conakry. Then when you return, we can do business. Not this time.
All right. All right. Yes.
You're happy for that?
Thank you. 50-50. not 100%. Not 50.
Well, I'm not. I don't also believe you. 50-50. Yeah.
Wait, Miss, Australia also have the gold. How much the price?
No, you cannot buy gold in Australia because it's already refined, belong to the bank. Australian mining company is in Africa mining. They're big company, and they are investors of the country. You cannot. They buy gold in Africa, and then they bring it to Mint refinery, and then they supply central bank. Yes. Yes. You got me? You got me, Dennis? Oh, you were being lost. Okay. Dennis. Anyway. Dennis, you've been lost. Denny. Denny. You have been lost. Okay. Australia has gold, but you cannot buy gold. It's really premium.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so get out in Conakry, Guinea. Then let's do the contract of 10 kilos. And you travel. Then I'll take you to the office. You inspect first. When you like it, then you make a down payment. If you don't like it, it's okay. Just like a tourist.
Okay, okay.
100%?
Okay.
All right. I will send you the business card of Emirates Cargo.
Yes.
All right?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dennis. Okay, then bye. Okay. I just finished talking to the buyer from Malaysia. I'm very thorough. I scrutinize the buyer. When I was talking his partner, he said he's a buyer. Now, Denny is the buyer. He's from Malaysia. So that is the reason why I'm very, very strict. You wouldn't get the gold, I'm telling you, if I don't validate you. All right. So, I asked him, you have to get out in Conakry. If I'm not around, you wouldn't be able to get the gold. So now going back to the pricing, I already mentioned a while ago that the price of gold changed. Now I'll go back. So just a minute. Our selling price is 99,490 per kilo. But if you convince Wilhelmina, and if you're going to send me a copy of your business registration, there's always room for negotiation because I'm charging my travel cost of $20,000, non-refundable. That's the reason why you need to pay attention on this video. Because if you don't pay attention, 100% you wouldn't be able to get the gold from us. Because we are very thorough. And my seller is premium. He doesn't want to sell cheap price because there is a value on it. So I hope you guys understand on this video. This video would be on my YouTube channel and also on my platform on Facebook. Just subscribe and click below. Give me a thumb if you understand. And I will put my number. Come for conference. You don't need to ask the procedure because I need to interview you live. I'm no longer sending procedure. You are the buyer, you should understand that gold is money. You are buying money to make money. Yes. And my services is not for free. I'm telling you many times. So watch this video. Then you go through on my platform on Facebook. You read it. Because on my platform on Facebook, I put a very extensive procedure. And I will put us also on my YouTube channel the procedure. So that you will understand what I'm talking about. And you, Mr. Buyer, do not travel unless you are prepared. Do not. Because I'm telling you, you're going to end into disaster. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.